Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and show you how to set up for the first time this ECOVACS DEEBOT N10 Plus robot vacuum cleaner. It does have a self-emptying base and it does mop. So here's everything that came out of the box. We do have this little shield that we're going to put onto the base station. 2 brush rollers. There were some little bumpers in here. Make sure you remove those on both sides. Now the bumper can move freely. It does have LiDAR navigation, so make sure there's nothing around here. There will be something spinning in there. We got a power button. Let's go back here. This is the mopping. This is where you're going to add the water. And right here is the dust bin. So it does have a little cleaning tool we can help to clean it with. We have a power button. So the first thing we want to turn this to the on position in a little bit. Here's the dust bin. It comes already installed, but you will have to clean this once in a while. It does auto empty out the bottom right here. And there is a filter here. Once in a while you will have to clean this filter. Okay, let's take a look at the bottom of the robot. Here's our drive wheels. We got a single brush roller. Now we do have some side brushes. They're color coded. Put the red over here. Red is for right. Green is for left when it's flipped over on its correct position. So just snap those in place. Drive wheels, we have fall off sensors so it won't fall down your stairs. Once in a while those glass lenses will need to be cleaned. Free spinning wheel, this is where it charges the robot. Looks like it does have a sensor there of some sort. Maybe a carpet sensor. Let's spin it around. Let's take a look at the brush roller. Once in a while you will have to clean this. So it looks like it's got some rubber and then some bristles. There is no hair comb on the inside, but let's take a look. Put the right there. There's what the door looks like. Put it in. Make sure the brush rollers are out of the way. It does move up and down a little bit. Now again, this is the water tank. We can take this off. This is where you're going to put the water. All right, you're going to fill it up right here. It does have a water pump inside here, so it's going to use a water pump. Looks like it gets electricity to power the water pump, so it's not going to leak if it's just sitting there. Here's the mopping pad. Just kind of rotate it forward. That's what helps get it off. Now you'll have to clean this mopping pad. It's held on with Velcro. There's like a little area for it to go in right there. The water is going to come through these 3 little holes. So you can throw this in the laundry after it's done mopping your room. Put it on, pull the Velcro, kind of tight a little bit, and there it is. All right. Now the water is going to come out these 3 holes right here. So when you put the water tank on, there's a tube here that's going to send the water back into the machine and come out these 3 holes right here. And then when this is on, those 3 holes line up with that right there. And again, there's the auto empty ports. Those line up. It's going to auto empty through these ports right here. Up here in the auto empty bin, so press the button right here. There's your dust bag. So there's a vacuum cleaner inside here that's going to kick on and empty out everything that the robot picks up through right here. And so once in a while you will have to change that bag. Now on the bottom of it, we do have this big chamber that we can take off. If you get a obstruction in the duct work that goes up to the bag, you can take these screws out. And I like that it's clear so we could kind of see the obstruction. So you can take that out, remove the obstruction. 120 volts, 50 or 60 hertz, 8 amps. And the power cord is 5 feet long and it's 2-prong. All right, so we need to install this ramp. It installs from the bottom. So these little detents are going to go right here, snap into place. Now when we put the robot down, it's got a little bit of an extra ramp. I want to snap there. Those 2 little detents go kind of on top, then it rotates into the bottom. So now when the robot is docked like this, it has more of a ramp, and it looks like, but the mop pad shouldn't leak because it has a water pump in it, so it doesn't rely on gravity. Here's what it looks like when it's docked. So the main thing is for help the wheels get up onto it, looks like. Overall dimensions of the robot, 13.5 looks like. Let's do exact height to the top of the LiDAR. 3 3/4 to the top of the LiDAR. This is where it's going to charge the robot. All right, so with the extra ramp, 22 inches. Left to right, about 12 and 11 3/4. Now you do have to be able to lift the lid all the way up. 23.5 to the top is about 16.5. Okay, be sure and turn the switch. That's off. Turn it to the on position and plug your docking station in and you're going to dock it. That did make a sound when I turned it on. So you need about 1.64 inches on either side and about 5 inches in front of it.
Install.
Okay, so you're going to get the DEEBOT ECOVACS app. You're going to download the ECOVACS app. You're going to connect the robot to it. You're going to have it do a mapping run because it's got LiDAR. You can put no-go zones, divide the map up into different rooms, put no mopping zones, no-go zones. It's going to be a really nice app. Have it map your house, and then you can put it on a schedule, have it start cleaning. So I hope this unboxing video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.